family. So right now I'm going to be doing, pretty much I'm going to be bringing Halloween into December. Pretty much what I'm going to be doing is a Christmas Ornament SFX makeup look for you guys. And yes, that sounds very interesting, but I got this idea, let's incorporate Halloween with Christmas. So I thought, let's find a way to make a Christmas SFX makeup look for you guys and also bring Halloween, my favorite holiday. So I just want to let you guys know I am not doing like Vlogmas for all 25 days. I'm going according to my schedule, which is Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. So each video is going to say Vlogmas, but it's going to be out of those 3 days. So you guys are going to still get Vlogmas videos, but not like all 25 days, because that's just crazy. But without further ado, give this video a fat thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to always be notified of my videos, comment what you guys think of this Christmas SF makeup look, and let's get this started. So I'm gonna use cotton balls and I'm just gonna tear them apart just to give it that like effect, like it's embedded in my skin type of thing. So I think I'm gonna do two because I'm doing one ornament here and one ornament here. And if you guys are wondering how I'm gonna do this, just pay close attention how I'm gonna do it. I hate the feeling of cotton. I don't know if exactly my forehead would fit this, but I cut a half ornament, as you guys can see. A little part broke, but it's better if it's like not fully circular. But I don't think I have a big enough forehead, so I think I'm gonna do it like that, or like, I wanted to do the eye. Let me see. But I'm like so worried about my eyebrow that it's like, it might not affect it. You know what? Let's do the eye, and then we'll do one right here. Like that. Like it's embedded. Alright. I'm really nervous because this will be my first eye one. So first we gotta grab latex. Oh, I haven't smelled this thing in a while. It's a lot. Alright, before I start putting it, let me start grabbing cotton balls and just the cotton balls are just not gonna stay, are they? I hate doing the cotton ball one, but we're gonna attempt it. You know, I think we should put the cotton balls after. Alright, let me grab my one ornament. Let's grab some latex. I don't want to get this on my nightgown. So I'm putting it on the rim as much as possible. I was like, let's bring some Halloween into Vlogmas. Like, why not? I don't see anything wrong with that. Alright. Oh god, I'm so nervous. Okay. I don't want to get it on my eyebrow. It is way too close to my eye. I don't know if I should do it like this. Yeah, that's too close to my eyebrow. Or if I should do it like that. Perfect. Okay guys, so we're gonna have to hold it to let it stick, kind of. Let's add some more. Let's add some more. So it's okay if you get it on the outside because we're gonna be cutting cotton anyways. So let's hold it there. A second. You know, this is gonna be kind of hard because I'm gonna be doing this look with one eye. Cool. Alright, cool. Now I think this is my weaker eye, so I'm definitely going to be having trouble. So we're going to start adding some latex on the cotton. I think that's my best option instead of like see guys, like look how simple that is. And we're going to be adding blood and stuff. I wanted to do like a cute look with it, but I don't think that's going to happen. So we're going to go around, make sure it stays in place. The last time I used latex, my face broke out really bad. Like I had a rash type of thing going on, and it wasn't fun whatsoever. I don't know if I want to do the other one on my cheek or just do the eye. I think I'm just going to do the eye because this is just a lot of work. Okay, make sure you don't get your hair in it. And if you can, try to spread it. Like, where's all my cotton balls? Okay. Focus camera. Ooh, it looks actually pretty cool. Okay, we're gonna have to put some right there. Guys, this look is going to get pulled together. I'm just trying to make it look. I'm trying to like spread it kind of to make it look. Okay, we're going to have to add a little bit there. Okay. I can't see a thing, which is fun. The bad part about having glasses. Alright. I didn't think this through, so I'm going to get a brush to pretty much make it embedded in my color, and then I will be right back. I am back, so now we're going to color it with my color. I'm going to try to, at least. I just want to set the latex, you know what I mean? Like, it doesn't really matter if it's, oh snap, you know what I didn't think about? I have this sharp piece in my eye. And I could poke myself in the eye. We love that for me. So we're going to add this piece back in. Okay. That would have been bad if I would have never realized that. Okay, you see how it has like little openings, which is perfectly fine. Alright. Now we're going to start going in with the blood and all that good stuff. So we're going to use some blood gel first. I should close this latex because the last time I left it open, it spilled everywhere. My mom told me to be careful with the glitter because she told me that glitter getting in the eye is very painful. So I was like, yeah, I'm gonna be fine. Blase, blase. So I want to get some blood on this, like, make it look realistic. I don't have any more blood gel. It's like one of my favorites. Okay, so I think I want to put some black also. I want to put my glasses on because I can't see shiz. But I use it from my Naked palette, and I'm just gonna pretty much go around it. Not completely. I'm just gonna give it like dark you know, to make it look like it's really in there, you know. And then we're going to go around that way. I want to add red to it. And it actually looks pretty realistic. So we're going to keep using some black cream. I got it all on the side. I am such a messy person when it comes down to this makeup. But there's nothing wrong with being messy. Alright. Where's my sponge? I want to have that like drag. Okay guys, I think we are done. I hope you guys enjoyed this Christmas makeup look, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.